40 fun facts about birds. Birds are the last living descendants of dinosaurs. They evolved from the theropod dinosaurs during the Mesozoic era, making them essentially living dinosaurs. Many bird species are known for their extraordinary migratory abilities. For example, the Arctic tern holds the record for the longest migration, traveling up to 44 miles round trip between its breeding grounds in the Arctic and Antarctica. The lyrebird, found in Australia, is renowned for its ability to mimic natural and artificial sounds from its environment, including chainsaws, camera shutters, and other bird calls. The peregrine falcon is the fastest bird and the fastest animal on the planet. It can reach speeds of over 240 miles per hour during its high-speed dive. Birds can see a broader range of colors than humans. They have additional color receptors in their eyes, allowing them to see ultraviolet light, which helps them find food and mates. Not all birds can fly. Penguins, ostriches, and emus are examples of flightless birds. Penguins are particularly interesting as they are excellent swimmers, using their flippers to fly through the water. Hummingbirds are the only birds that can fly backwards. They have incredibly fast wing beats, averaging around 50 times per second, which allows them to hover in place while feeding on nectar. Some bird species, like parrots and albatrosses, can live for several decades, often outliving many other animals of similar size. The oldest recorded wild bird is a Laysan albatross named Wisdom, who has been documented to be over 70 years old and is still raising chicks. Birds are incredible builders. The weaver bird, for example, constructs intricate and complex nests using grass and twigs, weaving them together with precision. Different populations of the same bird species can have different dialects in their songs, much like human languages vary by region. Flamingos filter feed on brine shrimp and blue-green algae. Their beaks are uniquely adapted to allow them to feed with their heads upside down. Parrots are known for their intelligence and ability to mimic human speech. The African grey parrot is particularly renowned for its cognitive abilities comparable to a young child. Eagles have incredibly sharp vision. They can see up to 8 times farther than humans, allowing them to spot prey from great distances. Birds do not have vocal cords. Instead, they produce sounds using the syrinx, a specialized organ located at the base of their trachea. Woodpeckers peck at trees to find insects, create nesting cavities, and communicate with other woodpeckers. They can peck up to 20 times per second. Penguins have a special gland above their eyes that filters salt from their bloodstream, allowing them to drink seawater. The kiwi, native to New Zealand, is a flightless bird with nostrils at the end of its long beak, which it uses to sniff out food. Owls can rotate their heads up to 270 degrees due to their flexible necks and specialized blood vessels that prevent blood flow from being cut off. The wandering albatross has the largest wingspan of any bird, reaching up to 12 feet. This allows it to glide effortlessly over the ocean for hours. Crows are highly intelligent and have been observed using tools, solving complex puzzles, and even holding grudges against specific humans. Male emperor penguins are responsible for incubating the eggs, balancing them on their feet and covering them with a flap of skin to keep them warm. Some birds migrate at incredibly high altitudes. Bar-headed geese, for example, fly over the Himalayas at altitudes exceeding 29 feet. The bee hummingbird, found in Cuba, is the smallest bird in the world, measuring just 2.25 inches in length and weighing less than a penny. Ostriches are the fastest running birds, capable of reaching speeds up to 45 miles per hour. The dodo, a flightless bird from Mauritius, became extinct in the 17th century due to hunting. It has since become a symbol of human-caused extinction. Canaries were historically used in coal mines to detect toxic gases. If the canary showed signs of distress or died, miners knew to evacuate. Many swan species are monogamous and form long-term pair bonds, often staying with the same mate for life. Homing pigeons have an incredible ability to find their way home over long distances, a skill utilized in the past for carrying messages. Harris's hawks are unique among raptors in that they hunt cooperatively in groups, increasing their hunting success. Owls have exceptional night vision due to a high number of rod cells in their retinas, allowing them to see in very low light conditions. Birds play vital roles in ecosystems, including pollinating plants, dispersing seeds, and controlling insect populations. Common swifts spend most of their lives in flight, even sleeping and mating on the wing. They can stay airborne for months at the same time without landing. Toucans have large, colorful beaks that are surprisingly light due to their hollow structure. These beaks help with thermoregulation and reaching fruit. Some ducks, such as the mallard, have an excellent sense of direction and can navigate using the stars, sun, and Earth's magnetic field. Some birds, like the common cuckoo, lay their eggs in the nests of other species, leaving the host bird to raise their chicks. Some birds, such as the satin bowerbird, create intricate structures, bowers, and decorate them with colorful objects to attract mates. Ospreys are expert fishers, diving feet first into the water to catch fish with their sharp talons. Hummingbirds have incredibly high metabolism and heart rates, with their hearts beating up to 1200 times per minute during flight. Bird eggs come in a variety of shapes and colors, often adapted to their environment. For example, cliff-dwelling birds lay more conical eggs to prevent rolling. Feathers are made of keratin, the same protein that makes up human hair and nails. They are lightweight yet strong, providing insulation and enabling flight. Which of these fun facts was the most interesting? Let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching, please like and subscribe for more.